My name is Bernice Templeman, and in this video, I am reviewing ServiceNow Asset Management. I still have questions to go over for some more interview questions. I wanted to take the time to go back and review the asset management. Today is Saturday. I'm off work, and I did work out today, and I did chest glutes today. And someone had asked what glute exercises I used, I was following. And so I uh, worked out for a long time since high school. And I, so some ones that my go-to ones are for glutes are squats and lunges. I did find out on the Today Show some some additional ones to do. And these are some that I added in. So I started adding in. So these are just, they advise you just have to do what's right for you. But they say to pick 5 to 6 exercises and perform 10 reps each for 3 rounds total. So there's different ones on here on things you can do. And there's more out there too. You just have to do what's right for you. And also to stretch, I stretch beforehand. So those were, and then back here. So on chest, I am mostly just doing push-ups right now. Um, you can modify those, and there's all kinds of different variations of push-ups. But so that's all I did today. This is asset management, a review. This is from previously I learned, and then I'll go out to ServiceNow because there's some updates to it since I learned this. So what is an asset? And this is just a review. So I'm just going to read it to review it. An asset is an item, an entity, or thing, tangible or intangible, that holds value for a company or a person. So examples are estates, resources, inventory, equipment, and valuables. An asset management system. It is an accounting process that seeks to track fixed assets for the purpose of financial accounting, preventative maintenance, and avoid thefts. Organizations face a significant challenge to track the location, quantity, condition, maintenance, and depreciation status of their fixed assets. Asset management system gives the best way to manage the physical movement of an asset, like how many assets are there in a store, how many assets are assigned to an employee, and where the asset is physically with the help of barcode scanning. So asset management versus CMDB. CMDB is a configuration management database. They are related to each other. They have different goals though. So asset management focuses on financial tracking of the company property. Configuration management is focused on building and maintaining elements that creates an available network of services. So the life cycle that is out on ServiceNow.com. So we will look at it there. So there are benefits of asset management. Keep track of all assets, control inventory that is purchased and used, reduce the cost of purchasing and managing assets, manage assets from different locations, provide an opportunity to plan against financial, operational, and legal risk, define the service levels, organize the assets in a portfolio, create a more efficient operation with ability to track performance, improve time management, measure and monitor life cycle costs from planning to disposal, and promote the economic stability and growth of your company. And so what do you need to track? That is, this is not the slide for that one. So this is, that will be a separate slide, but this one, there's default states. states and substates on order, in stock, in transit, um, in use, consumed, in maintenance, retired, and miss it. All right, so now I'm going to jump out to, this is an introduction to the IT asset lifecycle. This is on ServiceNow.com under the IT asset management. What is the IT asset lifecycle? So there's different stages of a lifecycle: request, fulfill, deploy, monitor, service, and retire. So there's a little picture there. And then why is it important? Planning, centralized cost, streamline provisioning, optimizing utilization, improve maintenance efficiency, secure and timely disposal. And what are the benefits of IT asset management lifecycle? Accurate inventories, decreased IT costs and workload, reduced IT asset risk, improved employee experience. And the best practices include stakeholders in the process, map out the IT asset lifecycle process, make changes reportable, observable, and accountable, automate the process, and always be on the lookout for other ways to improve. So you can automate with ServiceNow. So this is in the document, ServiceNow documents. There is under IT service management, asset management. So it's more of like a niche part of it. Let's see some things here. One thing is note the beginning with the ServiceNow platform, the DC release. There's limited support for the core UI interface, and then they are directing you to use the next experience UI. And then I have that over here in the next tab, so we'll get that in a second. So their practices have a common set of goals. Let's see, let's jump over here. The hardware asset overview. So this is the new interface to use. I will do another video looking at the ServiceNow instance of this. If I can get everything set up for it. Let's see. The reports. And then, so yeah, the developer instance, I'll see if I can, what I can to look at this. So that will be in the future. And that is it for now. And so look forward to more. Thank you.